The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, I don't know, this is the Dancehall Skilla. The first thing me I go ask is, why is it that a lot of people have a problem with the law? The next thing me have to ask again is it that police officers are doing something wrong? Now I ask those two questions because of a video that I'm about to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, for you to have a look at and tell me what you think about this little situation that happened between a citizen and a police officer, right? And this video shows of a police officer that entered a citizen's home, entered someone's home without any permission, and it doesn't seem like he have a warrant either. Now, the questions we're gonna ask right about now is it that the citizen was too disrespectful to the police officer, or is it that the police officer was wrong in the first place to enter this person's home without his or her permission or without the necessary paperwork, right? Who is wrong? Is it the civilian or is it the police officer? Is it the citizen or the police officer? Who was wrong? I'm gonna show you this video right about now, you see me? First thing I tell you before I show you, this video is actually from within the UK. You see what I say? Yeah, this video is from within the UK, the United Kingdom. You see what I say to you? And this video actually has some languages in it, you know. This is like a warning because some languages in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Alright? Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, let me know about it in the comment section. And you can also let me know about the video, like what I think about the video, in the comment section as well. Alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
So you've come into my house with no warrant?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
What about? What do you want to speak to me about?
Well, the alligate.
The alligate?
Yeah.
What alligate?
Right, there's an alligate at the bottom here.
Right.
At the back of the bookcase.
Right.
Who keeps breaking the lock? Do you know anything about it?
So you've come in my house to ask me who's breaking the alligate outside?
Yes, correct.
Right?
Yeah.
You've entered my house with no warrant.
The door was open.
With no permission.
Would you like me to leave?
Would I like you to leave? I'd like you to fuck off right now!
Don't need to be like
You
that,
cheeky cunt!
Don't need to be like that,
Get out my fucking house now!
Would you like to have this discussion outside?
No! Get out my fucking
Tell me
house!
about the alligate.
No! Get out my house right now!
What's your name, please?
Get out right
What's your
now!
name?
I'm not giving you my name, and you're not getting anything off me. Now get the fuck out of my house, you cheeky little prick!
Right, what's your language?
Get out of my house!
Right, I'll step out.
Get out!
I suggest.
Right out! This is still my house! This is still my fucking premises!
Yeah.
Get the fuck out before you talk to me!
I suggest.
Get out right
Don't
now
leave the
before I
door
make a
unlocked then,
citizen's
okay?
arrest! Get out my
Don't leave the
fucking
door
house!
unlocked, okay?
Get out right now, you little prick!
Okay.
Don't ever fucking come to my house again! What are you doing coming in here?
I just told you I'm making these inquiries.
I don't give a fuck! Don't come to my house!
Don't leave your door
Don't
unlocked then.
fucking come to
Don't
my
leave
house!
your door
Don't
unlocked.
come to
Don't
my
leave your
house,
door
okay?
unlocked.
Get out now! Get the fuck downstairs!
Well, I'm not in your
Go
house anymore, am I?
You're in my fucking premises. These are my stairs. This is my yard. Get the fuck out right
I'm
now.
sorry, I've been invited.
You know what?
I've been invited in
You've
here
been
by the
invited
shop
who?
owners. By the
You're
shop
not
owners
fucking owner.
downstairs.
I'm the fucking one who pays the rent. Not him, you little prick.
I've been
Get out
invited by
now.
the shop owners.
Get out now.
I've been invited
Get
by the shop
fuck
owners.
Out now.
I've been
Get
invited by the shop
fuck out now
owners.
before I fucking make a citizen's arrest.
Right.
You little prick.
Right.
Get out now. Go downstairs. What are you still doing here? What are you still doing here? Get the fuck out my house.
Well, I'm going.
Get out now.
Well,
Well,
stop
go down
talking to me
now.
then.
Don't stand here.
okay.
Get the fuck out. Little prick.
We don't want to cut the alligate.
What?
No.
What fucking alligate? What are you on about?
Alligate.
Shut the fuck up.
It's a simple inquiry
Shut the
I'm making,
fuck
isn't
up.
it?
It's
It's a
not a
simple
simple
inquiry that I'm
inquiry.
making.
Because you just come in my house and you think you can say what the fuck you want. Get out.
No.
Out, no, get
No,
out, mate.
You don't own this down here.
I don't know.
I've been invited
okay,
by
mate.
people
Okay,
working
shut
in
the
shop.
fuck up, you little prick.
So you're gonna make me leave
Don't.
from here?
Am I gonna make you
You're gonna
leave?
make me leave from here.
Am I gonna make you leave? Are you gonna leave?
Not from here, no. So make inquiries.
Okay, shut the fuck up, yeah. Don't ever knock on my door or come in my house again, you.